Our planet, Earth, is a unique celestial body in our solar system. It is teeming with life, covered in vast oceans, and boasts a diverse range of climates. But what if Earth possessed a feature common to other planets in our solar system: rings? Imagine gazing up at the sky and witnessing a colossal luminous band encircling our planet. This captivating sight, currently exclusive to planets like Saturn, would dramatically alter our perception of Earth and the cosmos. While Earth currently lacks such prominent rings, scientific evidence suggests that our planet might have possessed a ring system millions of years ago. These rings, formed from the remnants of a shattered asteroid, would have graced our skies for millions of years before eventually dissipating. The idea of Earth having rings is not merely a product of science fiction. It's a fascinating thought experiment that allows us to explore the potential impacts of such a celestial phenomenon on our planet and its inhabitants. Let's delve into the possibilities and imagine a world where Earth, like Saturn, boasts a magnificent ring system. The formation of planetary rings, particularly those composed of rock and dust, is often linked to catastrophic events in the early solar system. In Earth's case, a large asteroid impact or a series of smaller collisions could have generated a massive debris field around our planet. This debris, held in place by Earth's gravitational pull, would have spread out over time, eventually forming a ring system. The composition of these rings would differ significantly from Saturn's icy rings. Due to Earth's proximity to the Sun, the intense heat would prevent the formation of stable ice structures. Instead, Earth's rings would primarily consist of rocky fragments and dust particles, similar to the rings of Jupiter. These particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to larger boulders, would constantly collide and interact, creating a dynamic and ever-changing ring system. The visual impact of Earth having rings would be nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine stepping outside and looking up to see a brilliant band of light stretching across the sky, visible both day and night. The ring's appearance would vary depending on the observer's location on Earth. Near the equator, the rings would appear as a thin, bright line directly overhead, bisecting the sky. As one moved towards the poles, the rings would gradually appear larger and more prominent, eventually dominating the sky near the polar regions. The rings would cast faint shadows on Earth's surface, creating an ethereal interplay of light and shadow. Section 4. The Ring's Embrace. The presence of rings would have profound effects on Earth's climate and environment. The rings would reflect a portion of sunlight back into space, leading to a slight cooling effect on the planet. While this cooling effect might not be as drastic as some might imagine, it could still influence global weather patterns and potentially lead to more moderate temperatures. Furthermore, the rings would scatter sunlight, making for brighter nights, especially during a full moon. This increased nighttime illumination could have significant implications for nocturnal animals and plant life, potentially disrupting their natural cycles. Section 5. Life under the rings. The ecological and biological consequences of Earth having rings are perhaps the most intriguing aspects of this hypothetical scenario. Animals that rely on celestial navigation, such as migratory birds and sea turtles, would face significant challenges. Their internal compasses, calibrated to the stars and the moon, would be thrown off by the presence of the rings. Additionally, the rings could potentially disrupt the delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems. The reduced sunlight reaching certain regions due to the ring's shadow could affect plant growth and photosynthesis, impacting the entire food chain. However, life is remarkably adaptable, and it's plausible that organisms would evolve and adapt to these new conditions over time, potentially leading to the emergence of new and fascinating life forms.